No. No, 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 no. Look at it, y'all. So this is gonna be a quick one, y'all. My daughter came in here while I was asleep. I don't know, y'all. She was feeling herself. She pulled these off, I think probably by accident, just being a kid. She took my Xbox controller and she flushed it down the toilet. I don't know why. Bruh. This all you need, y'all. Go to sweetwater.com and get it. Wow. Easy fix. So if this happened to you, fear not. Easy fix. Probably what, 15 bucks for this, something like that. So all you do is you just stick them on like that. On the back of it, you see it has like a track on it. See that track? That's all you doing. See that? You see it? So you just put that inside the track. You know what I'm saying? That's it. You know what I'm saying? That's how you fix the faders. Peace.